हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम आज इन्वर्स लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म पर एक प्रॉब्लम देखने वाले हैं। वो है फाइंड द इन्वर्स लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ 3p प्लस 7 डिवाइडेड बाय p स्क्वायर माइनस 3p माइनस 3। उसका आंसर हम फाइंड करने वाले हैं। गिवन फर्स्ट गिवन 3p plus 7 divided by p square minus 2p minus 3. This is also required. यहाँ के p square minus 2p minus 3 के हम रूट निकालने वाले हैं। तो 3p plus 7 divided by p plus p minus 2 no p minus 3 and p plus 1 we know। यहाँ देखो 3 into 1 3, so इनकी माइनस b 3 minus 1 1 आएगा। सो p minus 3 p minus 1 ये हो गए इनके रूट। सो हमें पता है, हम अब इसका मतलब 3p plus 7 divided by p minus 3 and p plus 1, इसको हम ऐसे लिखेंगे p minus 3 plus b p plus 1। so then find the value of a। so a की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के बाद यहाँ हम लेंगे 3p plus 7 divided by p plus 1, but here is p minus 3 equal to 0। so p की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 3p is equal to 3। so we simplify this। 3 into 3 9 plus 7 divided by 3 plus 1। 3 into 3 9 9 plus 7 16 divided by 4, this is also equal to 4। so a is equal to 4, then b is equal to 3p plus 7 divided by p minus 3। here p is equal to, what is here, p is equal to minus 1। so put here p is equal to minus 1, then our answer is minus 1 minus 3। so this is also equal to minus 3 plus 7 divided by minus 1 minus 2, this is also equal to minus 4 and minus 3, so 4 divided by minus 4। so b is equal to minus 1। so this value b is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 4। so a and b value put here, so then put this value a and b here। so our final equation is a is 4 Laplace inverse of 1 divided by p minus 3, and here minus 1 minus Laplace inverse of 1 divided by p plus 1। so Laplace inverse of p minus 3, that is we know 1 divided by p minus s। Laplace inverse of 1 divided by p minus s, this is also equal to e raised to at। so 4 e raised to, here a is 3t minus e raised to, here is plus 1, so minus t। this is the answer of Laplace inverse of 3p plus 7 divided by p square minus 2p minus 3। so then next problem is second problem, that is Laplace inverse of log of p plus 3 divided by p plus 2। so we can find this, but we know Laplace inverse of log of p plus 3 minus log of p plus 2 we know the formula, that is log of m divided by n is equal to log of m minus log of n, logarithm formula. Then we have, first we can derivative this, then derivation, this is f of t, and then we can derivative this log of derivation, log का derivation f of d, f of dp, then log का derivation 1 upon p plus 3 minus 1 upon p plus 2. Then we know the formula, Laplace inverse of f dash of p is equal to minus 1 raised to n t raised to n f of t. Here f of t this, and this is f dash of p means here. So 1 upon p plus 3 minus 1 upon p plus 2, this is equal to minus 1 raised to n, n means 1, t raised to 1, f of t is this Laplace inverse of log of p plus 3 divided by p plus 2. So here is t, multiply, so divide here. So our equations become 1 upon t, 1 in bracket p plus 3 minus p minus p plus 2, this is equal to, here is minus, this is equal to Laplace inverse of log of p plus 3 divided by p plus 2. So this is the inverse Laplace transforms equation. So thank you.